This is the Eura Mobile Contura, and I thought I pointed at that vehicle before coming to this one to actually confuse people. Contura CT 766 QB, got a queen bed in the back and cost me €125,000. Or to put it another way, an eighth of a million. This vehicle has this wonderful panoramic roof lights, large table here. The roof lights incidentally open with a touch of just one finger, just pushed up lightly. Kitchen with this marvelous molded shape, and indeed large sink. And here we've got 3 burners, domestic appliances, and at the back this queen bed. Storage at the back, as you'd normally get wardrobes at the back of a queen bed layout, and of course above, although I'm not certain why in the middle they didn't think of putting a door on that one. It seems a logical thing to me to do. There are steps up to the queen bed with storage in them, and you've got heating grill there and on the other side as well. You can close off the bedroom using this cloth divider, which in my opinion is far better than the solid dividers, although you might think differently, of course. Shower. It's for motorhome. Okay, it's not enormous, but it's not small either, so I think that's a good shape. And here also toilet. And you can close this off as well should you want to. Come back into the living room, because this really is quite outstanding. Notice also the double floor in which you've got storage. This double floor is particularly useful because it's got your technical stuff such as your waste tanks in there, and here this is their normal storage, and it's relatively deep. In fact, it's deeper than some other Eura Mobile models. What you've got here is a flat floor all the way back. Nicer. Right, fridge, freezer, and an oven. The oven is an option, and people say, does it have an oven, to any video, and that the answer is it will have once you put one in. And slide out things as well. I think this is really an attractive, very attractive vehicle. I think it's got a lot going for it. Although, mind you, at a price of 1/8 of a million, then you'd expect it to be. Show you P as well. Got an extractor fan, as you can see there. And this, used to put these drop down coffee things in there, now just for storage. Or you could put one of them drop down coffee things in, and you'd have to take it out though, not drop it down. Right, this is the star of the show though. It's this wonderful panoramic roof light. All this light coming in, sitting around the table here with a wonderful view somewhere, or an awful view somewhere. But to me, I really like what this does, and that it's the contact it gives with the nature around. So I'm into panoramic roof lights. The door, as you'd expect, always a fly screen. A really large garage back here. I can't recall if I gave the dimensions of it, which are 784 centimeters long, 232 wide, and 294, 292 high. I can't remember 292 and 94. Anyway, there you go. Contura 766 QB motorhome. That's your gas cupboard, storage there, and here we've also got a large garage door. So we've got large garage doors on both sides. So thanks for watching. I hope you found that interesting.
Die Eltern von Jakob Kaiser werden gebeten, zur Information in Halle 10 zu kommen.